We love all things handmade, and to make sure our first venture into the arts would be a good fit with the Red Hat Factory, we tracked down Kay in Indonesia, who can do wonders with pencil, pen and paper. The idea I came with was the Navigator of the North Sea, a sailor on the stormy sea of the Norwegian West Coast. Wearing one of our beanies, the Westcoaster, he stares the wild weather and waves in the eye, determined to get home alive. After chatting through the practical details and the core story of the drawing, I received 3 quick sketches. After selecting one, we refined it a few times until the hand drawing process could begin. The final product is a hand-drawn pencil sketch, inked on paper and then scanned to be digitally colored. In this first batch, we have 5 colored versions for our 5 original Westcoaster colors, but you can also buy the plain ink version. They are printed on high quality 250 gram watercolor style paper. The size is A3, so look for an A3 frame or ask your frame shop for other good options, such as a Passepartout. Passepartout is the extra padding around the image that can make it fit into various frames, if you like other shapes or sizes of frames. If you buy the artwork alongside a Westcoaster, you get a price reduction. So go get it.